Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It's August 24th, Sunday at about 5:45 in the p.m. Been up and out and about and did a few things. Picked up a potato peeler and a couple of well, three sauce bowls. A lot of things here that have sauces, and I've seen. Yeah, I can make my own, but I needed something to put it in so I could make it. Those little peppers and such that go in there, and you can mix them all up. Now I got something to do it with. This is a good thing. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a blessed Sunday. Mine's been good. Uh, kind of enjoying it. Managed to get out and about, get some walking and such done. Was actually thinking about going out again here, uh, just to get a few more in. I'm doing so much more walking, which is a good thing because, well, we all need to get more exercise probably, burn off the extra lumpia. Yeah, yeah. I really shouldn't eat so much lumpia. Uh, but it's so tasty. Just saying, especially when you get the sauces on it. And you can have several different sauces. That's why you need those little sauce bowls. Uh, anyway, uh, got my journal back so I can get all my papers organized instead of having them loose and sliding around in a drawer and getting mixed up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's nice to have them back in a binder that keeps them all straight. Uh, don't get me wrong, I'm pretty disorganized in some ways. I don't need my papers to get that way just because they're let loose in a drawer. It is what it is. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm irritated with my mouse. And the new one I got to replace it is working good, but every once in a while the thing works for a minute and then quits. It's not a lack of power, it's just something in there, I guess, is just not wanting to connect or something. And for a second it does, and then it doesn't. And it's frustrating. Here, let me work for a minute and stop. Not good. So I think it's official. I'm going to take the battery out of it. I don't know. Part of me wants to do that. Take the battery out of it or get in there and see if I can fix it. Uh, although I've got better vision now, I'm still having dominance in my eyes. Which one's going to be in charge of seeing? Uh, this one over here has been in charge for 10 days in a row, and now I got this one 15 days in a row, something like it. Tomorrow will be 14 days. So, yeah, this one's wanting to act like it's in charge. This is the one that actually needs to be in charge because it's the one that actually sees better and can see all the way down to the fine print or finer print where I can actually read things. It is what it is. And it's a bit confusing for my eye eyes. They're fighting me because one's wanting to be dominant and the other one isn't. And my good eye, the better eye, is not wanting to be dominant. I really need to probably, yep, somebody's going out. I probably need to put a patch over this one and just use this one for a week. See if that solves the problem. Uh, I'll talk to the doc come Tuesday. And Monday's a holiday here. I don't know which one. I probably should open that up and find out what holiday it is here. I don't know. Yeah. If it weren't for these things, putting up posts and actually having to read the date to post it and say this is, I wouldn't know what day of the week it was. Yeah, I'm not worried about it, other than the fact that I need to keep track of it so I can get to the doctor's office on time, and that I need to make sure that I know what time day of the week it is so I can get to the visa guy on time. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't know about y'all, but I'm kind of liking not. Yeah, I'm liking the fact of not knowing for sure half the time. Uh, yeah, that's kind of nice. I don't know about you, but I'm liking it. Time, a group concept of which I wasn't a member of the group that conceived it, so why should I be bound by other people's ideas, conceptions, thoughts, and do I have to agree with their reality for that is theirs? Why? I like I said, I wasn't there when they thought it up. I didn't get to put in any input to this. So why be held by somebody else's doings? Especially when they can't take in, you know, figure it out and tell you exactly how long a day is because, oh yeah, it keeps changing. Yeah, the day's this long. No, it's this long. No, it's this long. No, it's yeah. And they pay us on these hours. How long or short it is? Yeah. Time, a group concept of which I was not a member of, but I'm being bound by it for payment purposes. Not good. Yeah. A lot of people, yeah, I'm going to start a riot over this. Nah. But think about it seriously. Time, they keep changing it. So are they really paying you the right amount? Just saying. You might want to think about it. Anyway, I'm going to head on out and go do some things this evening. I think I'm going to just get a little bit more walking in because, hey, more distance. Need to put my watch back on. Half the time I don't wear the thing because I don't really care what time it is. If I do, I usually just pull my phone out and look. Mm, coffee is giving me a bit of indigestion tonight. Mm, it is what it is. Well, I'm going to let y'all go. I hope you've had a blessed day. Uh, and don't let stress you. It's just not worth it. I mean, why would you want to let something that kills people, kills, why would you want to let that into your life? Toss it out. Don't worry about it. Let it go. Yeah, I'm really getting to the point that, yeah, I have so little stress that, yeah, peace. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope you have a blessed day, blessed week. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. More food. Yeah, I like my food. And I've lost a little weight, but my muscles are getting thicker and heavier. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, this is Fish, and I'm out.